afternoon. I thought I'd give you an update on my garden. There's still snow there, and I am taking the fabric off to show you. There's my lovely lettuce. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, that lettuce over there? Hope it doesn't go to seed so fast, but anyway. And the celery, endive, more lettuce over here. Aren't they beautiful? And this is spinach. And there's the snow. So this system works. I have to uncover it during the day because it'll get too hot inside there and it won't get any moisture. So I uncover it, and there they are. This works really good. It's a poly tunnel, and I just lift it up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to water it actually. For a week now, we've had snowstorms almost every day. It's now starting to warm up enough to melt off. A lot of snow still on the ground. And there's my garlic. And the garlic doesn't mind the snow. I've had a rabbit come through here and try to eat some of my garlic. I've had to replant it because it was dragging it out. Apparently it didn't like the garlic. Should have left it alone. Anyway, here's my plants. My little onions wasn't fazed one bit by the snow. Few of them have wilted, I'll grant you that. Here's my kale. Went through those snowstorms just fine. They're coming back from plants that I had last year, so I don't have to replant it this year. It's quite nice. It's almost ready to start picking the leaves for a salad. And my horseradish over there is coming back up. Now the leeks got knocked over because of the snow was pretty thick. It was like 6 inches. But it went through all winter, so it's fine. Anyway, and of course the chives. And my other horseradish right there. And there's the update on the garden. Please like and subscribe.